Lorelai when she's about to stand up. Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Boom!
Yeah, go.
Use your phone. 1, 2, 3, up! 1, 2, 3, up! Stand up. Come on, stand up now. Mama.
Bleaching and plucking and shaving at home to waxing and shredding at the salon, it has been proven that women and men will try just about anything to achieve the look they want. And one type of hair removal that's becoming more popular is called sugaring. Have you heard of it? It's an ancient technique that uses a paste of sugar, water, and lemon juice. The sugar paste is applied against the natural growth of hair, and then they remove the
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Very good. Say bye-bye now, Dada. Bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye. Bye. Very good. Very good girl. Bye-bye, Dada again. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Oh, fell down. Are you lazy, baby? Huh? Okay, go. Up. Up. 1, 2, 3, up. There. Come on. Get up. Get up. Say bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye.
No, over here.
Bye-bye, Dada.
Hey. Well, she sees the cover. Hey! Lorelai.
Say bye-bye, Lolo. Where's Lolo? Ay, nako.
Interesting yung cover, yung bag.
Video.